In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails on HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from your main workspace to composing a bulk email, selecting the right audience, and confidently reviewing and sending or scheduling it. Start on your HubSpot dashboard. From the top navigation, open the More menu to reveal additional tools. Head into Marketing, then choose Email. This takes you to the email area where all of your marketing emails are created and managed, including bulk sends. Next, click Create Email. When asked what type of send you want, select Send to a list of contacts. This is the standard option for one-time bulk campaigns, and it lets you send immediately or schedule the delivery for later if that fits your plan. Choose Start from Scratch to open a clean drag and drop editor. This gives you full control over layout and content. Keep your template simple and on brand, and write a clear, concise message with a single primary call to action. You can customize images, buttons, and text here, and you'll be able to set sender details and subject information before sending. When your content looks good, move over to the Send options to choose your recipients. Open the Send to drop-down and pick Select Segments or Contacts. Here you can add existing lists or segmented groups you've already built in HubSpot, or choose individual contacts if needed. Use your best performing list to keep targeting clean and relevant, and remember that smaller, well-defined segments often drive higher engagement. After you've chosen your audience, confirm your selection if prompted by clicking Select Segments or Contacts again. You'll see your chosen lists summarized in the Send options, which is a good moment to sanity check that you're including the right people and not missing any key segment. Now, click Review and Send. On this final screen, double-check the essentials: the subject line and preview text, the sender name and address, and your footer details. Make sure your content matches the promise of your subject line and that links and buttons work as intended. HubSpot will respect subscription preferences and suppression rules, so contacts who have opted out won't receive your message. When everything looks right, choose to send now or schedule for later. Scheduling can help you land in inboxes at optimal times based on your audience. Once you confirm, your bulk email is on its way. That's the full process for sending bulk emails on HubSpot, from dashboard to delivery, all in a few clear clicks.